You know when you first start trading a new strategy and it works so well, like the first couple days and weeks of trading it, you're on absolute fire, then you take a couple losses and everything seems to fall apart. All of a sudden the strategy sucks. I have a theory for why that happens. I don't believe it's the strategy at fault. I believe it's you. You find this new strategy, maybe you backtest it or you watch some videos, you watch somebody else trade it, you feel like you found the answer. And because you feel like you found the answer, you have a bunch of conviction, a bunch of confidence to put the trades on. You don't hesitate, you don't worry about taking losses, you have full faith, you have a winner's mindset, you're very optimistic in the markets, and you're just focusing on executing. You're focusing on executing that strategy. Then you take a loss, maybe a couple losses, and what happens? That confidence goes out the window. The conviction goes to the sideline. You're not confident anymore. You're not optimistic. You develop a loser's mindset. You're worried, you start hesitating, you start executing poorly. And then what most do, if you're like most, you blame the strategy and you go find a new one, and the cycle just repeats itself. Find a new strategy, you backtest for a little bit, watch some videos on it, get excited, enthusiastic, build confidence, take a couple losses, probably normal losses, and then rinse and repeat, constantly in this cycle of doom, the losing cycle of trading. How to break out of that would be to recognize it's not the strategy, it's you. It's how you're executing, how you're thinking about the market, how you're thinking about wins and losses. So instead of searching for a new strategy, maybe you start focusing on yourself. Stick with what you got, maybe simplify things, and focus on how you're gonna handle losses. How are you going to be able to maintain confidence through the inevitable losing streaks that will come? Hit the follow button for more value.